Hello. Okay, today I want to review for you the Flora Guard pruning blades. So Flora Guard sent me this blade as a gift to try out so that I could give a review. My first impression as I took it out of the box, I like the weight of it. It's nice, it's not super heavy, but it's very sturdy, very solid looking in its construction. There. I also, this rubber handle is kind of got a nice, I don't know, it's just a nice comfortable handle to grip onto. It's not really a hard plastic, it's more of a firm rubber, so it gives you a little bit more grip. It also has here, we have this little lever, this is the safety switch. Okay, so I'm gonna press this, close it up. I've got to get it in the groove there. And this is locked. I appreciate this because it's a lot safer. So I'm going to open it up and I want to show you the blades. The blades are amazing. They're like a little sawtooth kind of situation. You can see here how I'm sliding my fingernail up under the, let's see, I'm sliding my fingernail up under the black back blade. It's kind of a two-sided situation. So if you can see here, we've got like a double blade, really nice blade, very sturdy and solid. I think these blades are probably going to be what makes all the difference when I try to cut this limb off for you. This is made of a steel, rust proof steel, very, like I said, very solid construction. So I'm going to try and cut off this little limb. I'm going to go around to the other side as a right-hander and snap that guy off. And I think also the curve of this, there we go. Ooh, nice. Really nice. So I'm not putting a ton of pressure on this. I'm putting a little firm pressure on my branch just so it doesn't wobble, but I'm putting a fairly light pressure on this blade. So it's cutting really nicely. So you can see it left a nice sharp edge. How can we see that? A nice sharp edge. It didn't leave any, there we go. It didn't leave any fraying right there. So really easy, loving it. So thank you Flora Guard for sending this for me to try out. I'm definitely going to be using this a lot this springtime. So I say this is going to be an excellent product. Grab one for your gardening.